Military Hospital, the Groen Quarter. The Groen Kwartier is located in the Haringrode district, Stadskwartier, in the Antwerp district, Antwerp 7, on the border with Zurenborg and Oud-Berchem. The name Groen Kwartier refers to the old military hospital Antwerp, where soldiers used to be cared for. The name is composed of the military hospital quarter and the green character that it has now acquired by the city of Antwerp. The large site stood empty for a long time, since it was no longer used by the military, but since 2010 it has been transformed into Groen Kwartier, a new residential area for 400 families, thanks to a public-private partnership. The first residents moved in January 2011. Groen Kwartier consists of 3 apartment blocks, new construction houses, renovated mansions, former military hospital officer houses, and renovated loft buildings, former military hospital buildings, the Jane 2-star restaurant, De Stukplaats advertising agency, the Broodnati bakery architect. Stefan Biel and Leven Achtergaele developed a coherent master plan in harmony with the monumental buildings of the former military hospital. In collaboration with 360 architects from Ghent and Collectief Noord Architecten Adres, the Groen Quarter, Henry Lafontainestraat, 2018 Antwerp.